Call it meme stocks, call it stonks. Elon Musk calls it game stonks. Whatever the name, it is the gamification of stocks. Companies like GameStop and AMC extending their recent rallies. Look at these numbers. These are percentage changes for today. 480% for cost, for instance. So what's driving GameStop, the video game chain, and movie theater owner AMC higher? It's not their business, which are struggling from the disruption of streaming and the pandemic. Instead, it is momentum, YOLO, and FOMO. Day traders piling into GameStop have sent that stock up more than 1,000% since December. And really, you can trace things back to August when Ryan Cohen, formerly CEO of Chewy, bought a 10% stake in GameStop and joined the board with plans to turn the company around. Some on Wall Street didn't buy into this narrative and started shorting GameStop, betting on a price decline. Retail day traders with hours to kill on their commission-free trading apps got involved and eventually decided to bully short sellers by pushing the stock price up. Cohen's $76 million investment, it's now worth $2 billion plus. So where does this leave the professional investor? Let's ask one. David Neuhauser, Chief Investment Officer at Livermore Partners, joins me now. David, always good to speak with you. Just by way of explanation, you run an alternative asset management firm, which means you often build short positions, betting against individual names, as well as long positions, betting on a long-term rise in the stock. Right now, are you investing as you normally would, or are you stepping back and kind of watching everything because it's so nutty?
Yeah, so thank you for having me, Scarlett. Right now, I'm in more of a wait and see mode. You know, we're looking at the market, and for the past few months, I think we've been writing just to our investors saying that this dynamic that's going on in the market is unsustainable. And so we're really sitting on our hands in this environment, you know, trying to look for value, seeking value. But when I see some of the parabolic moves in some of these companies today, it really screams epic bubble. And that's what we've been telling our clients and investors. And the way you look at that is you really have to focus still on, you know, the value set that you're focused on, or that's how you focus on your value opportunities, right. And therefore you sit on your hands.
Okay, so you're professional, you're going to stay disciplined in all of this. But the thing is, and this is what surprises me, it's not just day traders. You've got Elon Musk, for instance, really encouraging this, given his antagonistic history with short sellers. What do you make of that?
Well, you know, look, he's been antagonistic in the past, as you know, and I think he's got a sort of a cult following. That's with Tesla, of course. So anytime you have sort of these big name people that are getting behind an idea, it just brings more chaos, and it brings more liquidity, and it brings more eyes on it. So that's what kind of gets the ball rolling. So personally, I think, you know, he's had a questionable past. So I think you got to be careful there.
The biggest stories the moment they happen from around the globe. Subscribe to Bloomberg Quick Take now for insight in an instant.